Enjoying cherries on their own or with dessert is always a treat. But what if you could also enjoy cherries as a summer dinner delight? Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'm going crazy for cherries and using these ruby red superfruits in a simple condiment recipe with mega health benefits. Dinner is served with a cherry relish on top. To begin, get a medium bowl and add in 1 pound of pitted and halved sweet Northwest cherries. Cherries are a good source of fiber and can help keep pain at bay, similar to ibuprofen. Cherries also help relieve inflammation by fighting diseases like arthritis and gout. Next, add to the bowl 1 cored and chopped Granny Smith apple, a 1/4 cup of finely chopped yellow bell pepper, 2 tablespoons of Hy-Vee Shortcuts red onion, and 1 seeded and chopped serrano pepper. Peppers can help boost your immune system with their high level of antioxidants like vitamin C. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh thyme or parsley, and 1 tablespoon of Hy-Vee apple cider vinegar. Toss these ingredients together, then cover the bowl and refrigerate until serving time. Serve this relish with tortilla chips or whatever might be cooking on the grill, like burgers, brats, chicken breasts, or pork tenderloin. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, join our Hy-Vee Healthy You subscription for a customized plan that works with your lifestyle.